Hi, welcome to week 3. This week we're going to be discussing residential installer as an occupation. The residential installer will spend most of their time working in homes and residences and doing their job. So they'll be working in someone's basement, a closet, or in an attic, installing a furnace or air conditioner, humidifier, air filter, or other HVAC related devices. The residential installer has to have sheet metal skills, electrical skills, and piping skills. What they're going to be doing is going in, and usually they're replacing a piece of equipment there, so they need to make modifications for the new piece of equipment. Or if they happen to be a new construction residentially, they'll be doing a lot more sheet metal work. And we'll discuss sheet metal work under sheet metal worker later on in this course. But the residential installer needs to be aware of many things around them at all times. You can have pets, children, and other things in the house. So always be careful when you're doing your work and what tools you leave laying around. The residential installer also needs to spend time talking with the customer about what they're doing, how they're going to do it, and what the end result will be. And when they complete the job, to take the time to go over with the customer what they've done, how the system operates, go through the complete operation with them, and then give them the proper paperwork, such as warranty, paper, and a complete job list of what was done. The installer needs to be a customer service representative for the company they're with at all times, meaning to look professional, act professional, and do a professional job. When you're done with that job, you should feel that that would be something that you would want in your home. The HVAC residential installer is also normally the beginning of an HVAC person's career. That is usually what you'll do when you first come into the field. You'll apprentice a while with an installer, learning the trade, because installers do many, many things. You have to be able to solder and braze well, again, do sheet metal, electrical, and sometimes troubleshoot new pieces of equipment, so you have to be able to read electrical schematic, at least the basic schematic at this level. The one thing that the residential installer must be able to do is follow a diagram or drawing or blueprint to be able to install the job as it was sold by the salesperson. So you'll have to be able to follow those directions and be able to do that properly. The other thing that the installer has to be is to be creative. Because as you move forward into installation, a lot of times you may just get, I need you to install this furnace. You'll go to the residence, look at it, and you'll have to lay out the complete job, such as how do I want to install it, what position do I want to put it in, and then design your own sheet metal modifications to make that job happen. So keep in mind, you need many skills, many different tools, and you have to be dealing with the customer regularly. So customer service is a very important part of this, as any other job in the HVAC industry. We are a customer-oriented business, and having good verbal and written skills are a must. I hope you enjoy going through this week's assignments and discussion questions, and good luck on your quiz.